What's up, y'all? Due to that last video, okay, that last video, when the smoke alarm went off, the fire drill, or fire alarm, or smoke alarm, it just goes off like that, you know, okay? When I was trying to do my vlog and stuff like that, I'm still enjoying some spaghetti. It might happen again while I'm filming. I don't know why it goes off like that, you know. If there's no smoke in the house, you change the batteries and stuff like that, you know. Alright. About that smoke alarm going off and stuff like that, you know. I don't know why it does that, you know. I really hate when that happens. It been doing that since last year. Since last year, you know. They always do that. I don't know why. So I'm watching Wheel of Fortune. Today's Veterans Day. Been doing it yesterday. Been doing it the day before yesterday. I don't know why it does that though. Stupid, whatchamacallit, you know. So, when I think about it, you need to do something about it, you know. Alright. So I'm waiting on that thing to go off again while I'm filming. It may not happen again while I'm recording, you know. I don't know why it does that. Alright. So I'm watching Wheel of Fortune. Is that guy going, oh. I thought he was going to get that bankrupt. Spin that wheel all the way around it. Oh, I thought he was going to... I guess that's all I'm going to say for right now about this damn vlog, about this smoke alarm and stuff like that. That's all for now, okay? Bye-bye.